writing NECO. Of course, you know that mathematics is a compulsory subject. Now, instead of you just reading topics in mathematics, I'll be giving you the specific topics that you should focus on from the NECO syllabus for general mathematics. So you just pay attention and follow this syllabus. In this video, you will know those particular topics that NECO brought out that said read this particular topic. It is from these particular topics I will mention to you now that NECO will set the equations. It is from this particular topic that NECO will set the equations. Of course, you know there are paper 1 and paper 2. Objective is paper 1 and paper 2 will be theory. Objective will carry 50 marks, one and a half hour. Then paper 2 theory will carry 100 marks. Objective is about 50 OBJ questions. And then you answer your theory, which has section A and section B in your theory. Now, these are the topics that will come out. Pay attention to them. As I read them out, you'll be noting them. But if you're not able to note them, if you want me to send you this syllabus, if you want me to send it to you on WhatsApp or to your email address so that you can have a closer look at it, just let me know, so I will send it to you. What you do is just 3 things: like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorial, then come under this particular video and say, I have subscribed. Once you do that, I will send this material to you and other materials, including the NECO timetable. Okay, let's go. Number 1 topic that will come out is number and numeration. This under number and numeration, we have number basis, conversion of numbers from one base to the other, basic operation on number basis. Under it, we also have modular arithmetics, concept of modular arithmetics, addition, subtraction, multiplication operation in modular arithmetics, then the application in daily life. Another subtopic under numbers and numeration will be fractions, decimals, and approximations. Then we have basic operations in fractions and decimals. Then another one will be indices. Indices as a topic will also come out. Another one will be logarithm. Logarithm will also come out. Then you should also know relationship between indices and logarithm. They will also come out. Basic rules of logarithm. Then another one that will come out is sequence and series. Under it, you will study AP, arithmetic projection, and geometric projection. Okay, I hope you are following. Remember, if you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video, if you subscribe and like and share this video, I can send you this material and other syllabus of other subjects in NECO or JAMB or WAEC. I can also send you timetables, and I can also guide you as you prepare to pass your exam. Okay, another topic that will come out is sets. Both ideal set, universal set, finite and infinite set, subset of empty set, and disjoint set, and all the rest. Solution of practical problem involving classification using Venn diagrams. So go to your math textbook, whether new general mathematics or new concept mathematics, and study Venn diagram. Logical reasoning, simple statement, positive and negative integers, rational integer. Another topic under numerations and numbers is sorts, matrix and determinants, ratio, proportions and rates. These things will come out. Percentages will come out. Under percentages, you should look at simple interest, commission, discount, depreciation, profit and loss, compound interest, higher purchase, and percentage error. These are the particular things that will come out in NECO mathematics. So as I'm pointing them out to you, I'm giving you a kind of expo. I want you to pay particular attention to them. Remember to share this video, like this video if you have not liked it, then subscribe and comment that you have subscribed. Another topic is variation. That is the last for numbers and numeration. Then we go to number 2, algebraic processes. Algebraic processes, another topic, main theme. Under it, we have algebraic expressions, simple operations involving algebra, expansion of simple expansions, factorization, binary numbers, solution to linear equation in one variable, simultaneous linear equation, change of subject of formula or change of subject of relation, substitution. Then you have quadratic equation. These are things that will come out. If you have not studied them, go and study them right now. Solutions of quadratic equation, forming quadratic equation, application of solution of, all these things. Graphs of linear and quadratic equation, they are graphs. Linear inequalities, algebraic fractions, monomial and binomial, functions and relations, types of functions. Another topic, main topic that will come out is mesuration. Under it, we have lengths and perimeters. Under it, we have use of Pythagoras theorem, sine and cosine rule to determine length and distances. That means you should study things like bearing and distances. Lengths of arcs of a circle, perimeters of sectors and segments, longitude and latitude. Then you need to study areas of triangles, areas of special quadrilaterals, areas of rectangle, areas of parallelogram, trapezium, circles, sectors, segment of circles, surface areas of cubes, cuboid, cylinders, pyramids, right triangular prism, cones and spheres. If you have not started paying attention to this, pay attention to them. If you will pass maths in NECO, these are the topics that will come out. And in our channel, if you go over to our channel, you see several other videos we have done on things like this. You will see where we did past questions on NECO, past questions on JAM, past questions on GCE, WAEC. So go over to our channel, look up this and go to the playlist on mathematics, go to the playlist on WAEC and NECO and watch this. And remember, like this video, share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then comment that you have done these things, and you will begin to join us as we'll guide you. Also, if you want to join our online study group on WhatsApp, let me know. If you want to join our online study group on WhatsApp, where students like you are also part of, let me know. Plane geometry as a fourth main topic. Under it, we have angles at a point. Angles at a point that add up to 360. Adjacent angles on a straight line. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Angles of intersection and parallel angles. Just study up these things. When I send you this syllabus, you will pay more attention to them. If you want them, let me know. Triangles and polygons will come out. The sum of angles of a triangle, the exterior angles of a triangle, congruent angle, properties of a special angles, isosceles, equilateral, right angles, etc. Properties of special quadrilaterals, parallelogram, rhombus, square, rectangle, trapezium, and others. Properties of similar triangle, the sum of the angles of a polygon, properties of exterior angles of a polygon, parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. Circles, chords, the angles which are, these are main topics that you must. Then construction, bisectors of angles and line segments, line parallel and perpendicular to a given angles. How to construct angle 90, angle 60, angle 450, angle 30, and angle equal to a given angle. These are the things you must study. I may not be able to mention all of it, but when I send you this material, you should be able to read them up. Then if you have questions, you are also free to ask me. Coordinate geometry of straight lines is a topic. Concept of x and y plane, concept of points on the x and y plane. Trigonometry, sine, cosine, and tangent of angle, sine, cosine, and tangent of acute angles. Use of tables of trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine, and tangent of angles from 0 to 360 degrees. Angles of elevation and depression. Bearing, very powerful topic that will come out. Bearing. Introductory calculus will also come out. Under it, you have things like differentiation of algebraic function, integration of simple algebraic function. Statistics and probability will come out. Statistics, frequency of distribution, pie chart, bar chart, these things. They will come out. So begin to prepare for them. Pie chart, bar chart, histogram, frequency, polygon, mean, median, mode, cumulative frequency curve, ogive. This probability will come out. I'm just giving you an expo, so study them up. And if you have questions, ask me. Remember to share this video to all the WhatsApp group you belong to of people that will be writing this exam, so that they will also benefit and prepare. Vectors and transformation will come out, will also come out, you know. So these are the basic things you need to study. Remember I said variance, vectors and transformations will come out. Now, what you need to do now is, anywhere you need help, let me know. Share this video, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Then, if you also want to join our study group, our online study group, let me know so that we can also join you. Thank you so much, and we wish you all the best.